Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Salut mes tipsters et tricksters et bienvenue à un nouveau video. If you're new to my channel, my name is B. I'm a vintage glamour enthusiast and musician. I make vintage beauty and style videos with a little bit of sustainability, veganism and lifestyle thrown in for good measure. So if that sounds like your jam, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you know when my videos come out. Today is another What Katie Did haul. They have sent me a box of goodies. I am part of the influencer program. They send me about 3 boxes a year, 3 to 4 boxes a year. This is my first one since I've been in France. So let's open it up and see what's inside.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
Now they often message me and ask me what I would like, and I spotted the Millionaires lingerie set on their Instagram and fell in love, but unfortunately they don't have it in my size at the moment. So I know that they've sent me something else instead. I just gave them a list of things from the site that I liked. So I don't actually know what is in here. So let's find out. This is what the box looks like. There's a little card inside for me. To be, we just had to give you a full outfit to stroll along in France. Love what Katie did. Okay, a full outfit. All right. So they've sent me a bunch of different stockings. What have we got here? Cuban champagne with a black seam. Lovely. Ooh, black fishnet tights and champagne with latte seams. Then they've sent me a black G-string. Which collection is this from? It usually says on here, from the Maîtresse collection. So it is a black satin thong. Oh, I did ask for this. I've been wanting to try one of their Merry Widow for ages. So they have sent me the Merry Widow. I wear largely 1950s clothing, so I really wanted to try the Merry Widow for the shape and see how it looks. I have a lot of their waist cinches, but I don't have anything that has the cups included as part of it like the Merry Widow does. So really looking forward to trying that. Oh, and they've sent me, what's this one called? This is the Fenella cocktail dress. So it is a 1950s style wiggle dress with a boat neck. It is black, so it's a little bit hard to see on camera, but I will of course put it on. And it comes down, I believe, mid-calf. So I'm quite excited to try that on. I think I'm gonna put the fishnets on and the lingerie and then pop this on with it. So let's see what it looks like. So I've put on the Merry Widow. This is what it looks like on. Very cute. I love the shape. I love anything that finishes on my hips here. I feel like it just suits my body shape much better, and I always love a 50s bust shape. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. Now obviously this does have the suspenders, but you can just take them off. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is so authentic, so beautiful. The shape with the Merry Widow underneath, like, yes, 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 yes. And they've put in the snaps or the fasteners for your bra strap. I mean, trust a lingerie brand to think of putting in that vintage detail. I don't really know any other vintage reproduction brands who do that. So that is a huge yes from me. And I think just the silhouette of the Merry Widow with this dress, like, this is my jam. This is the way I like to dress every day. This is really stunning. So that is that. The zip, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm going to show you up as close as I can, but it is a metal zip, so it is very sturdy and looks very authentic as well, which I think is really gorgeous. You've got the neckline and all of the darting detail. It just sits beautifully, and you've got the very authentic pleats over the front of the lower part of the stomach here and over the hips so that it fits your body like a glove, but it's also very flattering through here. And it also gives the illusion of you having a very nipped in wasp waist. So love. So that's the video, guys. A short and sweet one. It's a little haul, but if you want to know more about my thoughts on what Katie did lingerie, I will link a video up above where I go into more of a review and why I love the brand. There is also a playlist full of all my other lingerie unboxings, largely what Katie did, but there are some other brands in there as well. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can always subscribe to the channel for more vintage tips and tricks. I do have a Patreon that you're welcome to check out if you're interested in more content. Thank you to those of you who are already supporting my Patreon. You can of course come and follow me on my Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in next week's video. Bye.